So first of all, congratulations to Asian Pain Academy, especially the faculty, Dr. Kanchan, Dr. Devajiti and everyone for conducting this beautiful program. And it was very well organized. And the divisions was between this cadaveric and the ultrasound hands-on, and very sequentially it was, the topics were divided between the different stations, and the first batch came on the first cadaveric and the same batch came for the hands-on. So it was a rotation wise program, an excellent organization and this cadaveric of this Ramaya capacity, and I would look forward for supporting this education program forward in the future also. I am Sharad Shrivastava from GE Healthcare, looking after complete South Asia for this point of care business, and we'll continue to do these programs across the country. Thanks and all the best to Asian Pain Academy for doing this. All the best. Thank you.